Welcome back to the channel. Today I have another Dodge Dakota video for you. As you can see, my headlights have just completely turned yellow. I've done the restoration to them a couple times over the years. This truck's a 2000, so those are 21 years old, and it's time to change them. So I'm going to show y'all how to do that. It's going to be pretty simple, I believe. Probably a couple bolts and a couple screws, but here are the new ones I chose. These were $86 on eBay, and they're just a simple design, pretty close to factory. It's not one of those crazy LED type lights or you know, anything like that. I wanted something simple. Those LED lights, when you buy those that have the fancy rings and all that around them, there's extra wires that come with them that you have to splice into your factory harness. I didn't want to do that, so this is what I chose. I actually like the factory lights now. I'm getting old and I just like the factory stuff, but I think these are a good compromise. So when you buy these, you know, you have that clear bottom lens. So I went ahead and bought some amber lights here. You have two on each side for those and one on each side for those. And then for my headlight, I have some LEDs that I've used in the past on this truck. I didn't like them, mainly because when you click the high beam, the LEDs are bright. I'll give them that. But when you click the high beam, you get no more distance out of that brightness. It just gets brighter for the same amount of space. So I didn't care for them. I went ahead and took them out, and I'm just gonna go with stock lights for now. I'll probably upgrade to the Sylvania ZXEs, I believe. Might try those. Those are a pretty good deal, it seems like. And they're supposed to be really bright. There's some good reviews on them. But let's go ahead and pop the hood and change these out. So first thing, there is a Phillips head screw right here, and this is a Pick Quick screwdriver. These are sold on like Amazon and eBay, but it's got these bits that push through, and they're bigger, so they're not, you don't lose them as easy as those little bits with other screwdrivers. But it's got flatheads, Phillips, and a couple of Torx. I think it was like $14. Seems like it's made pretty well too. So anyways, just have a Phillips head here, back that out, and this pops straight forward. And on this side you have your rubber that just pops off. This is all corroded or dry rotted, so that pops off like that. And on the back side, you just twist all the bulbs out. There's one, two, twist counterclockwise, three. You'll see how this was mounted. You have this Phillips head screw here. There's a guide here that slides in, and it clips in right here, so that's what holds that in. Okay, so I'm gonna tuck these down here and have a 10mm socket. Take this first bolt off here. And then on the other side, we got two more. So you saw that just fell off. It's old. Another bolt right here. Now our third bolt's down a little further, down here. There you go. Then there's one spot that pops in, and there's a little ball. Pop it out like that, and unplug the headlight bulb. So as you can see, our three bolts were here, here, and here, and then the little pop in right there. That's it. Have both my light assemblies set in here. I need to get my stock headlight bulb out of there, put it in my new unit, and everything looks like it's going to match up. All my bolt holes and everything. Just give this a turn there, and the bulb will come out. And then this one, you can tell plastic's a little cheaper, but it should be fine. These bulbs, they actually have a notch right there to fit in to where there's only one way to push it in there, and then put your lock on. Just like that. And then also, this is like the other unit. It has a screw right here to remove to take the parking light off. Then we should be able to pop it right off, just like the other one. I'm gonna go ahead and take this piece of rubber loose. You can see how that goes on. It just goes around these little like nail head looking pieces like that, and then you can slide it off like that. And you can see it looks just like the other one. You got the slides there, bolt holes there. It's got an R marked for right hand side. So let's go ahead and install it. First, I'm gonna go ahead and plug in my headlight. You can do it from the inside. It's just, sometimes it's hard to get your hand in there. So plug in the headlight bulb. And then I'm gonna have to pop it in this hole, that ball in that little socket right there. So line it up. Gotta line up my bolt holes and then give it a little push. Like that. And looks like she sat in there. Gotta be careful of this wire right here. Don't want to smash it. So leave it like that. Then I can install all my screws. You can see one right here. Another one on this side. Last one up top. There you go. Bolt there, and bolt up top there. Okay, now we can go ahead and put in these amber lights. So this is a 194 NA right there. And the reason we're doing that is to keep us legal. We're supposed to have turn signals and marker lights in amber. So this is a 3157 NA. Same with this one, 3157 NA. Then we're gonna put our marker light in. So there's 3 sections you need to line up: here, here, and here. But first we need to peel all these off and get our lights installed. When you're installing your lights, there is a bigger portion. You can see that one's small, a little bit bigger, and then that's the bigger one. Just make sure you line it up. So you line it up like that, and then twist it clockwise. So see the way this one has the notch there and there. Went ahead and unplugged it because it doesn't reach that well. This wire doesn't reach that great. It's clocked a little different than the stock one, I believe, because I don't remember it being that hard to get out. All right, and the last one here, little corner light, twist it. And line it all up, pop her in, and peel that one off. Left it on there to keep from scratching it, so I think I'm good now. And tighten Phillips head screw. Right hand side's done. Looks pretty good. Doesn't fit great, but you can see once I tighten that screw, this side kind of wants to not, that clip there doesn't want to stay clipped in, but see, maybe over time it'll get some heat to it and all and stay there. Just need to get the rubber back over this piece. Need both hands. So need to get the rubber over this, and then also I need to pop this off and get this rubber attached on there. Oh, and you do need to save that little clip right there. It'll go through your rubber and into that. Another rubber piece here. There you go. There you go. Look at the other one, how dingy and nasty it is. Like I said, this doesn't fit perfect, but it's pretty good. I mean, $86, it's gonna be fine. Okay, no, it's still daylight out, but here's the difference. Looks good. Gonna have to adjust them later. Up down adjustments right here, left to right adjustments right here. And what I'll do is when it gets dark, find a level surface up next to a wall. I will pull the truck up to the wall and then mark a piece of tape like directly in front, centered, and the height, the same height as the light, and then I'll back up and adjust it to where it hits that piece of tape. That's how I do it. So if you guys have another way, just let me know in the comments. But I'm gonna go ahead and change this one out. See you guys back in a minute. Here's the end results, guys. Looks good. This one went on exactly the same way. This one fits better than the passenger side, but I like them. I also have fog lights, but I'm not going to put those in today because I want to repaint that bumper, and it's supposed to rain here pretty soon. But also make you guys just a little bit jealous up north. Today it was 68 degrees here in Florida. Hope this video helped out you Dakota guys. If y'all want to see more Dakota videos, click over here. If you want to subscribe, click over here. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you next time.